Hello, see, space teacher.
Hi, hello.
Here, Lawrence.
We are so excited to go.
Here is brother, see, cameraman, no? Boat riding to, huh?
Hi, sir. How are
Something,
you?
no? How's your experience? First time, no? First time.
First time, this is first time to me.
Eh.
This is smile only.
Go, go.
Hi, hello.
Brother, here is father. Hey, hello.
Brother, next time. Nirmahal. Surprise. Not this.
Bike seat is better, no? Bike is better. It's very cold inside, no? Africa. Just nearby only.
They want to sit there. People.
People use the car over sitting.
Not here. No need to get down on yeah.
No, no.
Will not get down. Nothing is there. Near your seat.
What? Hey, how do you feel, brother?
I feel good.
First time, no?
First time here.
Brother is here. Second time. It's feeling like Shillong, no? Here? Cherrapunji. We are in Cherrapunji right now. Meghalaya. Brother place, no?
Nearby Victoria.
Brother place. Meghalaya.
Nearby.
Near Cherrapunji. See, we'll climb up now. See the drawing. What is this? Climbing up. Let's climb up.
Now we are starting. Let's see. This one
No. This much? Huh? Or hole is there on the side? Talk no. This much no? Okay.
If you go, you're not able to come back.
Oh my God, we are going there.
How's the experience?
Experience is good.
Very scary, no?
Yeah, it's very scary, but it's good place. Nice.
What is this?
তুমি কি করতেছো? I want to see. Yes, you can go there.
So right now we are going back. It was a scary experience. It's very cool, no? It's like Shillong.
Hey, move. Hey, look this side. Hey, look this side. So nice. Look no. Okay, one photo no. Hey, look no.
Come.
Hey, it's so nice.
How's your experience?
Very nice. Like Bhutan.
Bhutan. Yes, brother. All photo. All photo. Coming behind. Go.
That is why no, I am not raining only.
Very cool.
Like Shillong, no? I am very clever now.
More than
Second Shillong.
Enough for today. Bye.
enough for today. So
Bye-bye.
enough for
Next-
today. For next
Next vlog.
Second picnic.
Next video.
Yeah.
Second picnic.